Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we've got a Chevy Spark that just wouldn't start. The dashboard lights were on, but absolutely no crank. Other mechanics had a look, but couldn't pinpoint the issue. When this little Spark rolled into my bay, one thing immediately stood out: it was in neutral. Now, some cars are picky about starting in neutral, while others don't mind. So I decided to investigate the shifter cable. Turns out the plastic and rubber connection was completely messed up. We'll be fixing that up to get this Spark purring again. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, consider following along for more car tips.